I'm a former artist, and this is
Myla, artist.
Welcome to Doodle Shapes
3.
So this is the doodle that we're gonna doodle on, and we've got 1 hour to doodle on the shape, but we'll probably do it less than that. And we've got these awesome pens sent to us by our teaser.
And there's 3 things of them.
Yeah, she can't wait to use them. She's been
Yeah.
tying them up for ages. Okay, let's start, yeah?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do yours into?
Okay, I'm gonna
How
do
many
it.
colours have got?
I'm gonna do it in a dog. As you can see, I'm doing doggy. Okay, you like the eyes?
I think mine's probably gonna be better than you.
Hey! Are you doing a dragon?
I was kind of thinking that.
Hi, people. He's getting another one.
Myla.
What does that say?
It says I'm the best.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It says smell. It says I smell.
Look at the screen.
It says I smell.
Do you want to do it?
Kidding me? I'm doing something
Right, I'm starting again.
Mine's
Are you doing another one? No.
now.
You need to sign it. You need to sign your name at the bottom. And
Myla
put your social media as well.
Oh.
Are you on Twitter? What are you? Myla Foreman.
Yeah, I'm Myla artist.
Myla artist. We'll call this one a practice because I didn't mess up on it.
My one is better than his. Hey! You coffee cat, you big coffee cat.
Okay, I'm happy with this one.
My one is better.
Your one's better.
Yes, it is.
Let's have a look at yours then. Where's my one so far? What's yours look like?
I'm just a cat.
Yours looks like it's been made by a 5-year-old kid.
It is.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a spy.
A spy? Well, if this is going to go on YouTube, then you just give away that you're a spy, so people bad guys are going to know. Oh well. You have to be something else now.
You're doing good, actually.
Are you worried now that I'm going to be better than you? I'm going to win. When did this become a competition?
No.
I didn't realize you were so competitive.
What does competitive mean?
Competitive means when you want to be better than somebody else.
It is on and falling.
You know, like when you've fallen. You've actually fell off. And you still draw it. You've actually fell off. So when you go to school, you're gonna go, I'm Myla artist and I'm on a YouTube video?
No.
No. What are you gonna say?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing about this. Talk.
These pens are so nice, aren't they?
Thank you, people that got these pens for us. Gonna use this violet.
Violet? Is that the color of it?
It's like an aqua color. It's like a posh color.
The posh color?
Yeah, it's a posh color.
My sister smells like...
It doesn't. While I poop, while I poo when do we? While I poo smells.
Your mum's poo smells?
We have finished our doodle shapes. Hey, stop my doodle. Okay, my first one was a dog, and you can see it, and that is a puddle, and I put Myla artist. Okay, now, this is the cat. The cat that we've done. This is the cat done. This is the cat I've done. Okay, just like the cat in the hat. Now, this is the one. The person. It looks like it's black on the screen, but it's actually yellow.
I did this one.
You done that one. And there's another one. I don't know where.
I put it on the floor because I failed. The first attempt was rubbish.
Yes.
Completely failed. So who do you think won?
Me.
If you think Myla Artist won, like the video. Like we did there.
And subscribe.
Yeah, what she said. Okay, so now you've seen our doodles, it's time to look at yours in...
You Doodle too.
The first up is at CherryCake518, and this one is awesome.
It has one candle because it's a baby and it's someone one.
The next one is...
A pirate.
Crimson Remains. That's quite cool. And he's used pencils, hasn't he?
Yeah, how did he draw that?
I don't know, that's really cool. Next up is...
How did you do that?
Whoa, who's that? That looks like,
From Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Yeah, and it's right there, the Doodle shape.
This one's by Didi Doodle.
That's weird.
That's a good name, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that name. I like that. This is Far-Fetted, 47.
Yeah, and his Doodle shape is right there. That's so gross.
He looks like he's going...
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't know where the Doodle the Doodle shape is right there. The Doodle shape is right there.
What is it? What's the doodle shape?
And the Doodle shape is like that snail.
On the snail. This one's good. This one's by Greenfinger.
Ooh.
Greenfinger 1. He should be making children's books, shouldn't he? Like kids' books.
Yeah, he should be a YouTuber.
He should be a YouTuber.
Yeah, an artist YouTuber like us. Huh?
This is from King Arnie. His name's King King On the Third. That is cool. I like this one, do you?
Why do you like it?
I like it because it's in his underpants.
And the vampire TV.
Great job. These are awesome.
Yeah, these are. The Doodle shape is right there.
Nameless PC.
He's carrying the Doodle shape.
This is really nice.
How does he think it's so heavy? What is that name?
At Nameless PC. He makes comics.
Whoa!
So who made this one? Somebody called at Nick Weldon.
I think I see the Doodle shape is what there on his head.
On his head?
Yeah.
This is from RKT. Cool design. He is good.
Yeah.
How
do you know it's a boy or girl?
Good question though, because you can't really tell from using it, can you?
Yeah, because it doesn't have their faces on, so we don't know who it is.
Great job, folks. So, what's the next doodle shape going to be?
Magic pen! Can you make us the next doodle shape? That's a good one.
So if you want to take part and doodle on this shape, there will be a link in the description below, and the rules are simple. You can use any medium. You've got to only take 1 hour or less, and then once you've done it, write your Twitter handle and the date, and tweet your doodle to 1hour1sketch with the hashtag doodleshapes. And there's also a Facebook and Discord group, and the links are below. Thanks for watching Doodle Shapes 3. Bababa.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bababa.
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 Bababa. What does bababa mean?
I don't know. I think it means banana.
It means banana.
You just made that. Boom. Let's get it on with your doodles.
So now we're gonna look at your videos in
3 Doodle 2.
You doodle too.
You doodle too. You doodle too.
So, you've seen ours, now it's time. I'll start. See? You've seen our doodles. Now let's look at your doodles in.
You doodle.
It's you doodle too. Okay, I'll start again, okay? Okay, now you okay.
And now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now.
Show yours?
No.
Fair enough.
I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
I don't want to be in it. I'm just trying to get out.
I'm invisible. Okay, we're gonna do doodle shapes 4.
Already, we're only on the third one.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.